When I came here, I got enrolled as a mentee. I was assigned to a really wonderful mentor, Shine, who I really adore and admire. And she was one of the reasons why I had a very good start.
And she shared with me how she adapted to the environment here, how she adjusted with her jobs, her studies. She told me that how I can manage mine.
So what she taught us was really wholesome, and it was not specific to education, to VCC, but as how to be a good Canadian without being a Canadian, actually.
During that time, I got a lot of support, I got a lot of help and friends from different programs too. So I decided to join and try the mentorship because my mentor also encouraged me.
I think being a mentor, it is building trust and also communication with our mentees. I believe it is a two-way learning. We can have much more learning about their different perspectives and also different ideas from new students. I really look forward to join this program and I can't wait to see how this experience unfolds.
So as a new student, I think the first thing you should do is be open-minded, be ready to listen, and be respectful. That's very important. I think the most important take that I got is be respectful of the time of the other person as well as yours, and be constantly in communication with each other. Because if you're not communicating, your mentor can't help you.
There's always services, a lot of help from the campus, from the instructors, the department, the international education department. So don't hesitate to ask for help. Even if you do not join the IPMC, there's a lot of people or the staff, the members in the VCC that are helpful and willing to help us.